Yes, we are back with the best Android app series for the month of March. And today I am going to show you 7 amazing apps which you should must try this month. So keep your phone ready, and without further ado, let's start the video with the first app. And the first app in our list is PaperTag. I recently found this app on Play Store, and the concept of this app is very unique. It allows you to create codes and associate them with images, videos, files or links, and scan them via the app to access the associated file. So suppose a situation where you are in a meeting or taking class note but unable to match the speed of your ongoing meeting or lecture, and you want to record a specific moment in your notes. So just create a code and mention them with hashtag in your notebook. Now when you are reviewing your notes, you just need to scan the code. The scan function will detect the text perfectly, even with my horrible writing, and it will start playing this section you have recorded for that particular code. The concept of this app is very unique, and even you can explore more options to use this in your day-to-day activity. And the next app in our list is Edge Card Launcher. These days our phone is packed with whole long list of applications, and whenever we have to open our favorite app, we have to scroll through all these applications or create shortcuts of those apps on your home screen. Now Edge Card Launcher will help you to create a kind of condensed widget and shortcuts in a floating window hidden on the edge of your screen. Just double tap or swipe left or right on your screen, and the window will appear with your favorite apps and several settings. So once you install the app, just provide the necessary permission to this app. Now you can select your favorite app or contact which you want to access through this drawer. You can also select whether you want this launcher on the left side or the right side of your screen. Here I will choose right, as it is easy for me to access the launcher. That's all for setting. Now you can see a small translucent line is appearing on the edge of my screen. I just have to double tap it or swipe it to access all my favorite apps, contact and other stuffs as well. Several Android layout like One UI or ColorOS offers similar kind of panel, but this one is unique and universal. Above all, more customizable. The app is free, you will not find any ad in the UI, and Pro version of this app will add only few additional features, which I think can be skipped. We all love to use smartphones having the biggest screen size, and at the same time we also want to operate our phone by single hand. But it is not possible to reach out each and every corner of your phone to operate it efficiently. And today we have the solution for this problem as well. You can use Smart Cursor for this, and this app will help you to create a computer-like cursor. And when you move the cursor to any clickable button, it will get highlighted. Smart Cursor also recognizes which button you are aiming at. Once the button is highlighted, you are already performed a click on it by tapping the tracker. This greatly helps with clicking small buttons as well. And the setting of this app is also very straightforward. To start and stop this Smart Cursor, just toggle here, and under the setting, you can select the trigger area, which will help you to enable the cursor. Like if you see this red highlighted area on both sides. So when you touch that area, the cursor will get activated. As you can see here, when I touch the right corner of my screen, the cursor is activated. Tap anywhere on the screen, it will automatically get disabled. Toggle is an intuitive time tracking application that lets you allow to track how much time you have spent on an activity, which makes it one of the most useful applications for the students and the people who wants to increase their productivity. And what makes Toggle different from other time tracking applications is that it is extremely easy to use, and you can seamlessly sync with other platforms as well, like Apple and Windows. This app offers two types of time tracking. First one is to add your work name and other details, and click on Start, which will give you the details of overall time you took to complete a task. where you can retrospect yourself and identify how to improve. Another one is Pomodoro technique that encourages people to work with the time they have rather than against it. So go to the Pomodoro setting and define the focus time, break time and other details as well. Now click on start. It will start counting your timing, and if you see, the animation of this UI is also amazing. You can also add your work directly to your calendar and it will remind you to start the task on time and get synced with your Apple and Google Calendar as well. And the last option is report, where you can extract your daily, weekly, monthly, yearly report as per your convenience. The app is free up to 5 team members, but if you are individual and only want to know how much time you spend on activity, the basic free version of app all you need. Wallpaper Engine is a mobile port of one of the most popular live wallpaper window PC app. Basically, you can create a live wallpaper on your PC and then port it to your mobile via this app. You can of course make wallpapers directly on the phone as well. The service supports videos, GIFs and interactive 2D and 3D scenes. Some other features include a playlist that changes your wallpaper automatically, no ads, and your wallpaper automatically paused if you engage power saving mode. The app is free, but full experience required a Windows version of the app for obvious reasons. Reading things can be fun, but not always, especially when it is a document from work that you would rather listen to than read. Elo Audio might just help you with that. This app is for people who like to listen to stuff instead of just reading. The app allows you to import your personal documents and PDF so that you can then arrange them on your playlist and listen to them at your own convenience. The app also has a different column where you can listen to ongoing event from different newsletters embedded inside the app itself. It also allows you to create a playlist so that you can curate a list of your own for later. Elo Audio lets you choose the voice as well, and the options ranges from journalist voice to yogi, surfer and others. This app can be used when traveling or also before nodding off. It kind of works like a podcast, so must try this app if you want to listen your document instead of reading it out. And the last app in our list is Swipe Back. It is an accessibility app on Android smartphone running on the version prior to Android 10, and you do not have the access to the gesture navigation feature. This comes in handy that allow you to customize the touch area for swipe back gesture. You can set the positions to the left, right or both. Also you can adjust height, thickness and opacity of the touch area. The minimum criteria to use this app is your phone should be running above Android 7.1. So that was the list of best Android apps which you should must try in the month of March. If you think there is any other app should make up this list, make sure to comment down below so that everyone is aware. Give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, share with your friends and do not forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching.